Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is gonna be a pretty short video, how in less than 5 minutes, how I get my bike ready for my next ride. And I'm gonna just show you and include what do I use to clean my chain, to lube my drivetrain, and then I'm good to go. So anyways, over here I have some toilet paper that I'm gonna use to wipe my chain. Over there I got my chain lube right here. To lube up the chain, and over here I got my park tool. I have my IK sprayer that I'm gonna use for my rug over here to clean my cassette. That's my cassette right there. So let's put this thing over here, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about here. So this is what you're gonna do. Yeah, you got some toilet paper right here. I would say the wipes. And you just need some, by the way, I have some soapy water here. And I just put a little bit of hot water and a little bit of soap in there. And this is what I'm doing over here. I don't have any degreaser there. I don't have any rush chemicals. And let me show you what I'm doing right now. Oh boy, this is gonna be nice. You want to press a little bit over there. By the way, you see what I'm talking about? I would advise you that you want to wear the gloves when you're doing this work. But this is what's coming off. So again, flip it over and flip it over the clean part, and again, go again at it. This is gonna be nice and clean. I'm gonna just show you a couple of shots of the chain. The close-up. So I'm gonna just show you a little bit of, see, this is the junk that's coming off. Okay, so let's look at the how yes, improved. Get this guy to focus. Oh, beautiful. Chain starting to look a lot cleaner. Hopefully gonna get this side to focus over here. Really nice. Really nice. So let's now back off and get into the part which I call the my bottom bracket, which is gonna be not the bottom bracket, the cassette right here. So this is what I love doing. You're gonna come here. You see what I'm talking about? This is what's gonna happen. Oh boy. I'll let you have a look what's coming up. Oh boy. Quite a bit of grime in there. It looked pretty clean. However, not for me. Not for me. So this is what's happening when you get a little bit of grime in there. Pretty messy out there, see? Now, let's put this aside and show you here what I'm talking about. So look at the difference down there. Now, I gotta catch the last one, but you see here in the middle where I went, that's much better. Much better. So, this is the part that, when things get a little tricky here, I'm gonna take the Park 2 lube. And look, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna come here. You're gonna come here and see. I hope it's catching a camera. Oops. I'll let you see the lube that's coming. And now let's do a couple of spins. Nice and soft. And there you go. I'm gonna just zoom in there and show you how nice and clean that looks like over there. See? Beautiful. Cassette is cleaned. The lube has been oiled. The chain has been cleaned. And I'm pretty pleased with the outcome. You guys can do this. And I'm gonna just include the sprayer and the lube and the towel or the carbon fiber towels down there, and all of you can do this in your house. Hope you find it useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.